In today's video, I want to show you how to create a folder in Telegram. So to create a chat folder in Telegram, this is how to do it. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your Telegram account. So let's open up my Telegram. So guys, once you open up your Telegram, it will take you to this Telegram homepage. So what you want to do on this Telegram homepage, if you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see the settings icon over there. So I want you to tap on that settings. Once you tap on it, it brings you to this your profile back end. So what you want to do here, you want to scroll down a little bit and tap on chat folders. So let's tap on chat folders. Once you tap on chat folders, it will take you to another page. On this page, you want to tap on create a folder. So let's tap on create a folder. Once you tap on create a folder, it will take you to where you have to put in the folder's name and chat that you want to add to it. So let's name this folder. Let's name it. Let's just put work. So once you put in the name, your folder name, then the next one is you want to add chats to this folder. So let's add, let's just add this one, anyone. So once you add it, tap at the top, tap on done at the top right corner. Then once you do this, if you check the top right corner, you're going to see where it says create. You just want to tap on that create and this folder will be created successfully. So guys, this is how to create a chat folders in Telegram. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.